This is Elizabeth from WTI, and are you tired of being a hot sleeper? Then this cooling bamboo blanket from BEDSURE is a must for your bedroom. Now, I don't know all the scientific reasons of how this works as a cooling blanket, but let me tell you, it really does work. I myself am a hot sleeper, so that means that even in winter time when I'll close all the vents and my room will drop down to 62 degrees by the time I wake up, I'll wake up in the middle of the night and feeling like my room is on fire, and it's 62 degrees. I'm just on fire. So being able to use this, I've been able to sleep all through the night. It helps regulate my body temperature. And now that it's coming into spring, again, I've been able to sleep through, which is so surprising because I don't have the AC on or anything like that. So I'm super, super excited and stoked that I have this and I can sleep through the night. So body temperature blanket, what does that mean? In cooling, it doesn't mean like when you go into the bed, it doesn't feel any cooler to me, but it's going to regulate and keep your body temperature normal, and so therefore it feels cool, and it uses all these different things to help regulate your body temperature. The blanket itself is very thin. I'd say it almost feels like it's like 2 sheets, so again, super thin. I put it between, so I put my sheet, then I put the cooling blanket, and then I put my comforter. So my blanket itself looks normal like everybody else's, but I have my little secret. I have my cooling blanket that's going to be underneath. If you prefer, you can also use this maybe as a throw blanket or on the couch watching movies in the summer. Then it can help keep your body temperature regulated and cooler even while watching movies. If you're a hot sleeper, don't be sleeping on this product. You're going to want to check out BEDSURE, check out their bamboo cooling blanket, so that way you can be like everyone else and sleep through the night. And that's my point of view.